Hello guys, back for part 2. So I've put the bottom end together and I've installed the piston and ring. So what you would do is, first off, there's a way to do it, is put your crankcase in the oven for about 10 to, depending on what oven you've got, for about 10 to 15 minutes. Heat it up. Also with your bearings, put your bearings in the freezer for the same amount of time. All that does is it makes it easier for you to put your the bearings should just slide straight in. That's the easiest way to do it. Also, once you put your gasket on, before you do that, get yourself some ultra copper sealant, depending on where you are, but as long as a high temp gasket, this one goes to 371 degrees. You just put that on each side, and then you put the crank in. Make sure you put the crank in properly where the flywheel side is. You'll see it on the crank, and you put it together. There's also little pins that match up each side, and that's how it turns out. With your seals, make sure you've got, if you've got a press, that'd be perfect. If not, you can use a socket over the top. Make sure you get the right size, and just slowly tap it in. Don't overdo it. Just make sure your seals are all the way in. Same with your bearings. And for your clutch side, there's a C-clip on the inside. You'll see it in the groove, like I explained. But that's your end result for your bottom end. And you got your 4 bolts. Once you've put it together, Loctite those 4 bolts, and then you're good to go. So that's the bottom end complete. We'll get on to installing the head. Well guys, that's it, complete. So we'll throw it in, start running the motor in.